Hi, it's Darnell with Way Living Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up some pancakes in a basket air fryer, basically showing you how to make pancakes in a basket air fryer. You can use the homemade pancake recipe of your choice, but I'm going to be showing an almond flour whole wheat pancake recipe. But like I said, use the pancake recipe of your choice. I want to really let you get the method down so that you know how to do it with whatever style of pancake mix or type of pancake recipe you want to use. But I use the almond flour whole wheat recipe because that has a lower glycemic index and a lot less of the harmful carbs than some other spins may have. And so let's get cooking right now. So let's go over the ingredients, and I do want to say up front, this is going to be a large pancake, maybe one, maybe two. We'll see what we get out of it. But for the dry ingredients, there's a half a cup of blanched almond flour, half a cup of whole wheat flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a tablespoon, or 2 tablespoons, sorry, of a granulated sweetener. Use the one of your choice. That's a urethral monk fruit blend there. For the wet ingredients, I've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I've got a half cup of water and 2 large chicken eggs there. I'm going to go ahead and get the dry ingredients in the dry bowl, wet ingredients in the wet bowl. Now that I've got the wet and dry ingredients in respective bowls, I've got a 9-inch bake pan here. I haven't sprayed it with any extra light olive oil yet. Don't confuse extra light with extra virgin. Big difference. I'm going to put the pan right into the basket air fryer. It still has the little air fry rack or trivet or whatever you want to call it that comes with it in there in the bottom, so put the pan on that. And so just put that in there as is. And so I'm going to have things on, put it on bake. I'm going to set the cooking time. I think I'm going to need between 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to do 10, or maybe, I guess I'm going to do 8. Since I'm preheating, I'm going to do 8. And for the temperature, I'm going to take it up to 350. So 350 preheat, 8 minutes. Then I'll spray some extra light olive oil in there and get the rest of the mixture in. So I'm going to go ahead and combine the wet and the dry while things start preheating. Alright, time to get in here, spraying. And try and pour some pancake batter in and not make too much of a mess. So I'm just making maybe 2 big ones, so count that as 1 big one. Close on up. Let things go ahead and cook and bring you back and we'll see how that looks. So things have gone for the full 8 minutes, getting ready to get it out. It will beep. I have shown in the initial review how to stop beeping, but I can't stop the end beep. So be sure to see the initial review though. So it does that 1 end beep, and that's all. So I'm trying to get my pancake off the pan now. Even though I sprayed my extra light olive oil, things are a little stuck, but here's our finished pancake. You see the bottom, you see the top. Of course I could have gone in and flipped at some point, did not want to. Just personal choice is why. You can go in and flip if you so choose. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of the batter in. Now that I've sprayed things over, try and make my second pancake here. Sorry if the arm is in the way at all, but got it all in. Alright, going to close up again, and this time I'll do the bake. Take it down to, well, take it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take it down to 8 minutes. Going to remove that preheat since we already have preheated. Hit start. Let that go ahead and run real quick. Alright, a second for the full 8 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and get this on out. And let's see if I can... Seems like it sticks to the bottom, adheres to the bottom of the pan. Just a little bit. But got it on out. So 2 pancakes there. Did have some stick to the bottom. I guess I'm getting some excess off the bottom here. It's stuck. Just a little bit of excess stuff that's stuck to the bottom. I'm going to show you what's left on the pan just so you can see. I guess you can soak the pan if you don't care, like try and flip halfway through or what have you. So, not too bad. It's just not anything I care to bother with trying to have to flip it part way through. But let's go ahead and I'm just going to cut a little piece off one. I guess I could just use the fork. Just cut a piece off for a taste test. So, let's go ahead and do a taste test. So thank God for some pancakes, and as I always say, of course I could dress it up, put condiments and all that stuff on, but the point is to show you the finished product and a taste test of just that as is, was cooked. Dress it up later with whatever, and you know, that's how I do with my taste test. And so I'm not going to eat both of these for breakfast, just to let you know. I'm going to eat one, I'll put the other one away or something, but let's go ahead and taste. Alright, probably need a little water, but yeah, definitely need some water. But it tastes good. Almond flour whole wheat pancakes always taste good. If you're looking for something more gluten-free, lots of pancake recipes here on the channel. And so, nothing in the video is sponsored, nobody gave me anything, but there are lots of ways to help the channel in the video description, such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop, pay the same price, help the channel, so all of that stuff's there. And if you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.